1998, two ships A and B move at constant speeds 2u and u respectively. At a certain instance, B is 2,400 meters due east of A, moving northwards. Show that A must move in direction 30 degrees north of east in order to intercept B, and find in terms of u the time it takes to intercept B. Well, what we're going to do here is a quick diagram. Now the quick diagram is that A and B are separated by 2,400 meters. B. Okay. B is moving how? B is moving northwards, right? B is moving northwards. And A is the faster of the two ships. It can go 2u while B goes u upwards. Okay? And in order for A to intercept B, it must cancel B's u value. So for example, it must travel straight across. The velocity of A relative to B must be going straight across. So we're going to fix B to its point, and we're going to use phi AB. And what we know about phi AB, it's phi A minus phi B. And what I'll always do is I'll always bring phi B over to the other side, and I'll have phi A equals phi AB plus phi B. I'll once again organize this into my 6 sections. If I have 4 sections, I can do it. If I have anything less than 4, I'm in trouble. So, first one's going to be magnitude, which is speed. Second one is going to be direction. So let's see if we know anything. What do we know about the velocity of A relative to B? It has to go which direction? East. Okay, is everybody happy that it has to go east? Because it's B is currently east of A, and the velocity of A relative to B has to go all the way east to intercept. Okay? So this is going to be east. We know the velocity of A to B, 2u. We know the velocity of B to be u. Then we know that the velocity of, we need one more. What's the only other thing we know? That B is going directly north. Now we're in business. We're now going to draw our triangle, okay? Now remember the rules about the triangles. I have to start phi AB and one of the, I have to start phi A and one of the other ones at the same point. I'm going to start phi AB at the start. Okay, so phi AB is going to go directly east. Which way is phi B going? North. And then we have phi AB here. Now look at this. That's phi AB, phi B, and this one here. Phi B and, sorry, that's not phi, that's phi A. Phi A is going up this direction to intercept, and phi AB going to the right. Now that you have this done, guys, what you're looking at is, what do we do next? Well, this is u. This one here is 2u. Okay? We can find out what sine of this angle is. Sine x equals u over 2u. Sine x equals a half. X therefore equals 60 degrees. Oh, sorry, sine it's 30 degrees for a half, sorry. 30 degrees. Okay? And the whole point of the question was to prove that it must move in the direction 30 degrees north of east, or east 30 degrees north. It's the same thing as 30 degrees north of east. So, have we proven that? The velocity of A is going in the direction east 30 degrees north. We have proven that. Next part is, in terms of u, find the time taken to intercept B. The time taken to intercept ship B. Remember, B is held here. A is here. A is traveling relative to B in this direction here. If we find out what speed it is on this component here, we need to find out what is its I component. We'll call it M. We need to find out what M is. M squared equals 2u squared minus u squared. M squared equals 3u squared. M equals the square root of 3u. You happy with that? Square root of 3u. So it's going to be your distance, which is 2,400 divided by root 3u. And that's the same thing as 800 root 3 over u.